This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to cook tempeh bacon. First, select a high-quality block of tempeh, ensuring it's firm and fresh. Carefully slice the tempeh into thin, even strips, aiming for about 1/8 of an inch in thickness. This consistent slicing is crucial for achieving that perfect, crispy texture, similar to traditional bacon. Now, let's create our flavorful marinade. In a shallow dish, whisk together 2 tablespoons of liquid smoke, 3 tablespoons of soy sauce or tamari, 1 tablespoon of maple syrup, and 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. Enhance the taste with a 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder and a dash of black pepper. This blend will infuse your tempeh with that irresistible smoky, savory, and slightly sweet profile. Once your marinade is ready, submerge the tempeh strips, ensuring each piece is fully coated. Let them marinate for at least 30 minutes, or for a deeper flavor, several hours in the refrigerator. When ready to cook, heat a non-stick skillet over medium heat with 1 tablespoon of your preferred cooking oil. Cook the strips for 3 to 5 minutes per side until they achieve a beautiful golden brown color and a satisfying crispness. Your delicious tempeh bacon is now ready to enjoy. Serve it warm alongside your favorite breakfast, or layer it into sandwiches and wraps for a hearty lunch. It's also fantastic crumbled over salads or incorporated into breakfast burritos. Any leftovers can be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days, perfect for quick meals throughout the week.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.